Hey, it's Tobias from Volant here. I thought I'd drop a quick testimonial for the awesome guys over at PageFly. We started our business selling essential oils and diffusers 1 year back. We decided to use Shopify, and we spent some time trying to decide on the best page builder, as neither me or my co-founder are programmers. We've built the site and the business part-time beside our full-time jobs and on a shoestring budget. And what's so amazing with PageFly is that you can do this without being a programmer super fast, and it is so flexible. You can basically do everything you want. If you were a programmer, I've been amazed time and time again, and it helped us grow to the business that we are today. Today we are in 11 markets with fully localized stores, and we have 6 unique stores, all built on PageFly, that are duplicates. And we have made more than 2 million USD in revenue, and our longest running store now delivers conversion rates around 4%, and we have an average order value of more than $100, or actually more than $120. And we think that's pretty good, and it wouldn't have been possible without PageFly. And the support we've gotten from the team is amazing. They respond right away in the chat, and they're so helpful, and they help us do a lot of custom stuff that we wouldn't be able to do on our own. So thank you so much, and I'm looking forward to keep growing with you guys.